Introducing Halo, Handy Arduino Lamp Rev1.0. Let's get started. Hello everybody, this is Dangerously Explosive. Today we will be going over Halo, Handy Arduino Lamp Rev1.0. A small lamp, this is powered by an Arduino Nano, and uses NeoPixels for a full RGB spectrum of light. Halo is equipped with 2 push buttons and a potentiometer to cycle through modes and brightness. You are currently watching a demonstration of the color wheel mode, adapted from the strand test code. The push buttons cycle through colors, while the potentiometer changes the brightness. Each time the brightness is changed, the LEDs will swirl until the new brightness is reached. There are 7 distinct RGB color modes: red, green, blue, cyan, magenta, yellow, and white. The right push button cycles through modes in the forward direction. The left push button cycles in the opposite direction. There are 3 distinct mode types: color wheel, solid color, and dynamic. Solid color mode simply displays a solid color that changes brightness. Color wheel modes swirl as the brightness is changed. Dynamic modes, like the rainbow seen at the beginning of this video, simply swirl through a rainbow of colors in an awesome display. This is possible due to the NeoPixels used to power the lights. Each NeoPixel is extremely bright, and this lamp is equipped with 12. NeoPixels are individually addressable LEDs, so each LED can be controlled individually of the others. This allows for cool effects, like this rainbow wheel seen here. On the 2 dynamic modes, instead of controlling brightness, because the brightness is dynamic, the potentiometer only controls the speed at which the colors are cycled. Due to the structure of the code in these modes, the push buttons must be held until the end of a cycle of the code is run through in order to change the mode. Built with a simple design around an Arduino Nano, the code is completely open source, and additional modes can be programmed extremely easily. With a completely flexible neck, the Halo lamp can be repositioned to light any surface. A weighted base makes Halo extremely stable, able to be used in any workshop. The LEDs can be twisted to any angle to illuminate every possible detail. Another cool feature of open source is the ability to change the function of any object. This halo lamp could be modified to hold a fan in the center to cool objects as well as illuminate them. Simple design, simple use. Fantastic. Due to the onboard power regulator of the Arduino Nano, the halo lamp can be powered either through the 5mm jack or via USB. The simple 2 push-button design of the halo lamp makes it extremely easy to operate. The potentiometer is easy to trim, allowing for minute adjustments in brightness. The halo lamp's small, flexible design allows it to fit places where many other lamps would not. An all-metal construction makes Halo very durable. To build your own lamp, visit my Instructables page outlining the build of this project. Also on my Instructables page, you can find awesome projects like this LED sign. Very nice. Also, while you're on my Instructables page, don't forget to check out this awesome little steampunk tank mouse. Built entirely from scrap and sheathed in a nice shell of metal, this mouse has an awesome feel to use, especially due to the coolness and the weight of the metal. Not to mention the fact that it has RGB LEDs built in. How cool is that? Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're on Instructables, favorite this project, and don't forget to follow. More projects are always on the way.